Good morning to all my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are fine at home and studying. So children, I welcome you all to the online English class. So today we are going to learn 3-letter A sound words in English. We have already done it in nursery. We will quickly revise all the A sound words and then I will explain you the written work in detail. So let us begin. So the first is add sound words. For example, pad, P-A-D, pad, S-A-D, sad. P-A-D, pad मतलब जिसमें हम लोग लिखते हैं और sad मतलब उदास होना. You can see it in the picture. Now the next is ag sound words. That is B-A-G, bag. Bag मतलब थैला. T-A-G, tag. T-A-G, tag. Now the next is am. A-M, am sound words. J says j, J-A-M, jam. D says d, D-A-M, dam. Now we come to the an sound words. C-A-N, can. C says k, so C-A-N, can. V says v, V-A-N, van. Understood, children? Now the next is app. A-P, app sound words. T says t, app, tap. M, app, map. Understood, children? Now the next is at. A-T, at sound words. That is B-A-T, bat. B says b, B-A-T, bat. C says k, C-A-T, cat. Understood, children? Now we come to the written work. So you will practice them in your phonetics book, Phonics 2. So we will start doing it from page number 6. It is written here, 2-letter phonetic words with A. You can see it. You will first put CW and date over here, and then you have to trace these words. जैसा लिखा हुआ है बस उसके नीचे से आपको ट्रेसिंग करनी है. So let us quickly read these words. So first is AD, add. Second is AG, ag. Now the third one is AM, am. Next is AN, an. Now come down. AP, app. AT, at. AS, as. Now we come to page number 12. You can see this. All the pictures are given of the words and the heading is given 3-letter phonetic words. So we will read the words along with the pictures given. You will see the picture. Try to relate the words with the picture. So the first is B-A-D, bad. Bad मतलब बुरा. D-A-D, dad. Dad मतलब father. पापा को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? Dad. Next is M-A-D, mad. Mad मतलब पागल. Alright. M-A-D, mad. Now the next is P-A-D, pad. Writing pad होता है जिसमें हम लोग लिखते हैं. I told you before also, P-A-D, pad. Now the next is S-A-D, sad. Sad मतलब उदास होना. You can see the sad emoji over here. So sad मतलब उदास होना. Alright, children, understood? Now we come to the next page, that is page number 13. 3-letter phonetic words. Again, these are 3-letter phonetic A sound words. Now we will start with the first word. You will see the picture. You already know. I will just pronounce it. B-A-G, bag. R-A-G, rag. T-A-G, tag. So B says b, R says r and T says t. तो क्या हो गया? bag, rag, tag. All right. Now come down. Now these are am sound words. am पीछे लगा हुआ है तो am sound words हैं. So the first is DAM, dam. Dam क्योंकि D आगे लगा हुआ है. D says the, dam. Next is HAM, ham. H says her and JAM, jam. J says j. तो फिर क्या हो गया? dam, ham and jam. Alright. Now we come to the page number 14, and sound words. So let us revise them quickly. We already know them. So the first is VAN, van. VAN, van, because V is there. V says v. Next is CAN, can. FAN, fan. Now then come down. MAN, man. P says per, PAN, pan. T says ter, TAN, tan. Tan क्या होता है बेटा? When we go out in the sun, skin feels discoloration. Okay, that is called tan. And rest of the words you already know. Alright. So we quickly move to the next page, that is page number 15. Now, these are app sound words. The first is CAP, cap. Cap matlab topi. Very easy. You can see it in the picture. You know it. सबको पता है cap क्या होता है. CAP, cap. Now the next is GAP, gap. Gap means distance between two objects. You can already see the arrow over here showing distance. Now the next is lap. Lap means गोद. You can see the girl sitting मम्मी की गोद में, that is lap. Now the next we come down. So we can see भारत का नक्शा is there, India's map is there. So this is map. M-A-P, map. Now the next is nap. Nap means short sleep. Now the next is tap. न से नल हमने पढ़ा था हिंदी में, that is T-A-P, tap. Alright children. Now we come to the next page, that is page number 16. So the first word is as sound word, that is GAS, gas. यहाँ पे गैस सिलेंडर की पिक्चर बनी हुई है. So that is GAS, gas. Now the next is BAT, bat. We already know what is bat, na? Cricket bat we know. So BAT, bat. After bat comes CAT, cat. Cat means billy. Now the next is HAT, hat. MAT, mat. RAT, rat. Alright children, you already know these words. Hat, mat and rat. Alright, thank you so much. I hope you have understood the chapter and you will do the assignment properly. Bye bye.